Hey guys, so I'm back with some new information uh, about the library benchmark. So we'll let you know that how to use benchmark. Every developer should know about this one so that he can compare the uh, performance of the different methods, inbuilt methods, and the custom method also. So you can compare the code itself. So let me show you what I did. So I have created one project here, and then I just use the library that is benchmark.net. So this is the benchmark.net version, and then I have created one class that is list benchmark, and I have written a code here. So you can see that I have created one list of numbers which will range from 1 to 1000, and then I have created two methods. One is any method, and second one is exist one. So in first one we are checking the n equal to 500, so it will check whenever it is, if anything is coming then it will be true, and same we are checking with the exist one, and we'll see that what is the performance of both these of methods, right? So normally we any developer means mostly node check, they just use any every time because mostly they know this one, but not use the exist one. So exist one is very good performance than any, almost uh, 4 to 5 times less than this one. So you just need to create this one, then in the program one I just load this list here in the program.cs, and then to run this method you just need to go through this one, and then you just need to write this command .net run, and you just need to use this in release version, means that will check the performance in that case. So we have two methods. Let me run this one, we'll see the performance in that case. So once it will start, so you will see two benchmark found, and it is just building now. So it will run one by one. First it will run first method, then it will check the second method in that case, and then it will prepare the result for both of them, and then it will display the result itself in the last, and we can see means what is the difference. So we have just loaded 1000 record, but if I load more than that, means it will increase the performance in any method, and then exist one is more efficiency, and that is having good performance in that case. So let's wait for this one, and we'll see what is the performance. So both of them, you can see here, both of them are remaining. So once they load, and we can see the result in that case. Let's wait. So one is completed, you can see one is remaining here, and it's loading the second one. It is just executing, checking the timing. So in US you can see here, these are the millisecond. 1 US means 1 millisecond. So 1 millisecond, right? So we'll see the result here. Let's wait for the second one also. So by using the benchmark, you can compare two methods, and with different libraries, or you can compare the load time for that one, means how much load is there. So you can see means how much difference is there. So this is loading in 1.56, right? This is microsecond, I was saying millisecond, but 1 US means the microsecond, and you can see any method is taking 7.84 second, and exist method is taking 1.56 microsecond second in that case. So you can see how we can compare the code, and always try to use exist method whenever you use. So that is a good one to make performance in your application, right? Thanks for watching this one, and try to use it in your coding. It's for the new developers and for old one also. Thanks.